just wanted to bid you a good night. I'm ready to embark on my unbearable challenge for Animals Asia. I'm going to sleep in my dog's bed for the whole night tonight. I'm tucked in, ready to go, and I know you will appreciate my outfit. So yes, I just wanted to wish you all a good night and to say please, if you haven't already, please link on my Just Giving page, click on there and just donate anything that you can, £1, £2. I've still got a little way to go to get to my goal, so please help me get to it. And I shall see you tomorrow morning, and hopefully I'll have got a little bit of sleep, and I hope you have a good night's sleep too. Alright, take care, bye! Everybody, this is what hair looks like when you've slept in a dog bed. Anyway, it's done. It's morning, the sun's up. Actually, I think I passed out at one other time because it's quite late. It's 9 o'clock. So anyway, I've done it, and I need to go and have a nice bath now, and I'll get myself looking normal again. Alright guys, take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.